Hello friends. Welcome to Creative Art. What's up all doing? Today I am back with a new video. In today's video, I will show how to fix your virus and threat protection as managed by your organization, which is Windows Defender related problem. When we install new software or update any existing software, some malware take control our virus protection that prevent Windows Defender to work. Hence it get disabled. We can see a cross mark on a Windows Defender and taskbar like this. When we open Windows Defender, we can see that your virus and threat protection is managed by your organization under Virus and Threat Protection menu. It can be fixed easily. Let's do it. First we need to type CMD in search box and run it in administration mode. Then copy these text displaying in WordPad and paste it in command prompt. I also put these text in video description for you. Then press Y and enter. Again. Press Y and enter. Now you can see text. The operation complete successfully. Close command prompt. Now you need to restart your virus threat protection. For that, open Windows Defender and click Restart Now option under Virus and Threat Protection menu. That's it. Now you can see Windows Defender again turn on in a green sign on Virus Threat Protection menu. You can also see green sign on a Windows Defender icon in taskbar. That's all for now. Hope we will back soon with a new video. Share your review and comment us whether this video helped you or not. Also don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon for notification. See you soon. Till then, bye bye.